What's up guys, today I want to show you the G4 Pro from Feiyu. This is a gimbal made for iPhone. So this is the gimbal, so well presented. So you have here 4 batteries, the down part of the gimbal, the charger, a weight and a cable. It's so perfect, this gimbal is so well done, you can feel it like so great in your hand. You have USB. This is for calibrated or updating the firmware. Let's see how it works. Oh, sorry. And it's ready for using it. There's perfect. This is the normal mode of the gimbal. So if I turn, it turns like slower. Works so perfectly. Like you have more modes. This is the one it turns. You can keep it pointing to one point, just one click in the button. It's like it doesn't matter if you turn, it stay right there. And you have the follow mode, just click it 2 times. So if I go down, it goes down. If I go up, it points up. In bird mode, would be 3 times. It turns. It is great to record in this way. Is it? These were a few samples that what you can do with this. Let's go out and show you what else you can do with this amazing stuff.